guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is on how to make back to school supplies. These DIYs are super easy and fun to make. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. So starting off with the first DIY, basically what I did was I opened up the folder. This is just a folder that I found that was just lying around in my house. So I just decided I wanted to do a DIY on it. And so basically what I'm doing is I'm just painting the folder from the inside with the color pink. And here is the finished look. Once the inside has been dried out, the next step what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be placing the tape on the diagonal way of the front side of the folder. Once I've placed that, the next step what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be painting the folder with another shade of pink. Now I decided that I wanted to use two shades of pink rather than just one shade. You can use any colors that you want. I'm using pink, but if you want to use any other colors like blue, purple, or green, that's up to you. Once I've painted the area pink, the next step is just to take off the tape that I had placed in a diagonal way and fill it up by painting that area white. Once that has been completed, the next step is just to place whatever subject you want this folder to be. My subject for this folder is English, so I'm just going to be placing the letters that spell out English. I'm basically just lining up the letters so that they're all lined up equally. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys really like this DIY. Not completed yet. The next DIY is going to be on a notebook. Basically what I'm doing here is now I'm painting the front part of the notebook. Basically, again, you guys can't see, but I did trace out a diagonal line with a ruler because I'm going to be painting one side of that front page blue. Hopefully it looks blue. It's supposed to be blue, like a very nice light blue, but I guess with this lighting it's making it look more like light purple. And this is how it looks like, as you guys can see. The next step, basically what I'm doing is I'm going to be painting the other side of the front side of the notebook pink. It's like a baby pink color. I thought that these colors contrasted really nice together, so yeah, I mean, you guys can use any other colors that you guys want. Really take out your creativity while doing these DIYs, guys. I really do encourage you guys doing that. Once the front side of the notebook has been completed, the next step is to basically have your notebook subject on there. And so for my notebook that I'm making right now, I've decided to name this notebook Math. Math has never been my strongest subject, guys, but you know what, for this DIY, I decided that I'm just gonna go with math. Basically, I'm just overlining each of the letters with painting them white. expecting this DIY to come out to be this nice, and here's the finished look, guys. Moving over to the next DIY. The next DIY is going to be on hole puncher. Basically, I'm just cleaning up all the dust, whatever dust there's on the hole puncher, and I'm just going to be placing the tape on the top side of the hole puncher. Once I've placed out the tape, the next step is just to cut out the edges just so it's lined up equally. Once the top part is done, the next step is to do the bottom part. I'm basically just going to do the same exact thing that I did for the top part and placing the tape at the bottom like that. And here's the look. Super cute, super easy DIY. Moving on to the next DIY. The next DIY is going to be on making your own binder. Basically, this is just a simple binder that we're going to be changing. Basically, what you're going to be needing is a blank sheet of paper that you need to have it fold in half. And just cut it out so that it's lined up equally with the binder, because we are going to be putting in the paper inside the binder. So I will show you guys what I mean by that at the end of this DIY. So what I'm doing is now I'm using the sponge, and I created three different types of colors. One is purple, a little bit of a darker pink with a light pink, and I'm just adding them up onto the sponge like this. Once I've covered up one side of the sponge like this with the three different colors, next basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be placing it and just basically just pressing it towards the paper like this, so it creates a nice pattern starting from a darker pink to a baby pink and then purple. And then I'm just going to be doing that all the way from starting from the bottom and the top. As you guys can see how I blended that corner spot on there, make sure that it's blended nicely like this, and how the colors that I've chosen are very nicely blended together. Just make sure that it's like this, and try not to let the white background of the sheet to show a lot with the colors. If you guys want, you guys could do that, add a little bit of that white background mixed with the colors, but for me personally, I prefer to have three of the colors that I've chosen to be very nicely blended onto the sheet. Once my painting has completely been completed and it has been dried, I'm just going to be adding in some glitter paint on towards it, so it just gives out the shine that I want the artwork to bring out. You guys could do that, that is optional, but if you guys do not want that, you guys do not have to do that. I'm just going to be using the sponge for just some areas of the painting that I feel like still I can see a little bit of the white background, so I'm just blending that in right now with the sponge. Ta-da! We are done, and this is the final look, and this is how it would look like if you put it inside the binder like this. Here is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what other DIY videos you guys want me to make next. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for lots more fun videos. And see you guys next time. Take care, guys.